G'day, it's Jon here, Jon Carson. I'm a sales consultant here at Imagine Kit Homes. I've been here nearly 4 years. In that time, I have already built and sold one of our homes. It won an award. It was over on Lamb Island. It was called the Shazza after my wife. She designed it. Now that home that I built, it was a couple of years ago. I built that home. I truly owned a build. I did a lot of the work myself, other than the licensed trades, electrical, plumbing, of course, and roofing. A lot of the other work I did myself, and I called in my friends and family to help me, but there was a lot of lugging that I did, a lot of grunt work. I used my uncle-in-law, he's a retired builder. I used a fourth-year apprentice, and I used a lot of friends. So that was truly an owner-built home. This one that I'm doing is the new one over on Coochiemudlo Island. Anyway, we've moved to Coochie and we've built our second home. And this home, I'm really owner managing. I'm a musician also, so I'm away most weekends. So I'm really, in the true sense, owner managing this build. And as you can see by the video, it's a fairly complex build. I paid a great bunch of guys to put the frame up. The roofing, of course, I got a professional roofer in to do that. I've got my brother-in-law who's a builder coming in, and he is putting the windows in. And then we're just going to go through the process. I think we'll be at lock-up in June. We started putting subfloors in on the 20th of April. Over a period of 1 month, we've got the subfloor in, frame and roof on. Close to lock-up, we've just got to do the cladding. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'm certainly enjoying this build.